Hey, Jeff, Shop Talk. Today we're talking about the thinnest light bar to date in the Code 3 catalog, the matrix-enabled Covert Lightbar. Covert Lightbar, yeah! Endlessly configurable with our matrix software, 1.6 inches, top to bottom, black top, clear top, smoke lenses, clear lenses, super bright Taurus light heads, and you can configure it any way you want since it's matrix compatible. We've got two different control heads with the matrix software. Each one of these buttons can do any function you choose. Click, drag, drop into the software, and this is totally configurable. Rotary or push button controllers, level 1, level 2, level 3, it's all right here in the controller. You've got your Z3 siren, and then also, if you choose, you can use the serial interface, the SIB. You can integrate things that's matrix capable. So you can take the siren, put in any sort of inputs that you want, directionals, high to blast, work lights, your CD 9215. So it's all syncs and it all works together for any sort of function you want. Door cut, blinker, horn, any sort of feature that's on the bus of the vehicle through the OBD, the siren can listen to it and controls all features and products on the vehicle. So when you're configuring your bar and you want a really cool feature, look into our photo cell. It's also configurable between 10% to 90% reduction in output. So when it's dark outside, you can dim your light bar so it's not blinding everybody in the area. If you purchase our Covert light bar, configure it any way you want, but you have a siren from somebody else that you want to stay with, you want to take our SIB, serial interface box, you can plug the light bar into it, then plug into that existing siren. So this is an important little piece to have to bind all the systems together. So this port can plug into the OBD. So if you have light heads, you can sync that through the OBD into the aux. That was a hot little piece. Just a little guy, it's so cutie. I can't keep up. It's wig-wagging too fast. I can't keep up. Just so you know, it's our stiffest light bar to date. You don't want your light bar to bow, do you? Our mechanical engineers actually focused on the structure of the bar. They beefed up some of the material, 45% stiffer. It's a more robust bar. Officers, you're coming up to an intersection. We can put emitters inside the bar, right? They don't have to be built outside the bar. They can be hidden inside, right? So the emitters are in there in the bar, providing safety for you as you come up to the intersection. Hey, you texting on your phone, get out of the intersection! For more information about our Covert Light Bar, visit our website, code3esg.com. Visit us on YouTube, like, subscribe, check us out on social media. Catch you on the next one. Wiki, wiki, wiki.